Hi, in this video, we're going to see how to enroll in Coursera free courses. So Coursera is such a magnificent website if you want to learn anything. And while most of the courses are paid, some of them are actually free, and we would see how to enroll in these free courses. What you do is you just hover over to this explore option, and in here there are a lot of subjects, and you could select any of these subjects. Let's see which one you are interested in. I mean, it could be just anything, depends on you or what your field, your academic field is. And let's say if I'm going for a computer science free course, what I would do is I would just select free courses in from here under this get started option. As you can see my cursor in here, I would just click on this and I would be directed to this page. And in here, as you could see, there are 126 total results for free courses, so that's quite a lot. For example, you could just apply for this cryptography course or user experience design, learning how to program. Depends on which course you're interested in. You could go for Python. So let's say that you just go for this Python course in here, Python programming. You would just click on this, and this would open a new tab in your browser. Now this is giving you a lot of options in here. It is telling you a lot of things about the course actually, and it's telling you the rating of the course and how many people are enrolled in the course. And to enroll now, you just click on this option, enroll for free. So now you have two options. Either you could select the course without the certificate, or what you could do is you could purchase the course. The difference is that if you go for the full course, no certificate option, you are not paying anything, you're not being charged for anything, but you would not get a certificate which would actually tell your prospective employee maybe that you have actually completed this course. So yes, if you are interested in getting the certificate, you could purchase the course, or if you're not interested in getting the certificate, you just want to learn, you would just select this option and select continue, and you would be directed to the course. And in this way you could just click on start learning, and there you go, you could just start the programming and complete your assignments. Just check out the syllabus from here. Here are the messages you would have, the discussion forums, and everything is here. Another option, if you are interested in getting the certificate, is that you just go to any of these free courses, for example this cryptography one, and in here you would select, wait, let that option load. Okay, in here now you would select this option, financial aid available. If you think that you could not pay for the course and you need some financial aid, then you would select this option, continue to the application. Okay, now you would have to fill this whole form. It's pretty easy, and then your application would be reviewed. It depends on Coursera itself whether it wants to grant you that application. If you do, then you would get the certificate as well. But since it is a free course, otherwise you would just have the materials at your disposal without getting the certificate in any case. So you could actually do this financial aid option. You could avail that for all sort of courses, but once again it depends on Coursera if it wants to grant you that financial aid or not. So this is how you would enroll on any free courses on Coursera. There are more filters in here if you want to change the subject, if you want to filter by the skills you would learn, if you want to filter it by the learning product itself. You could just check all of these filters out and enroll for any free courses of your choice.